Hi. I've been busy. Got 7 of my girls here. And a train, of course. Second I start recording. Anyway, I am cleaning up. Come on, train. I'm cleaning up my tiny RV. I'm gonna take a trip. Don't know when I'm leaving. Don't know where I'm going. But that's the plan right now. Right now I'm just cleaning it up. So I've already pulled it out of the shed or the barn, given it a bath. And this is a, I don't know if you remember or not, it's a Kwik Kamp. It's actually a motorcycle trailer meant to be pulled by a motorcycle. And I bought it to begin with to pull with my bug. And it was going to be called Bed Bug. Now it's called Tiny RV. Ended up selling the bug. Just couldn't get it fixed. Couldn't find anybody to fix it. And I thought, I'm paying insurance and California tags for licensing on it. It's ridiculous. So anyway, long story short, got rid of it. But I can pull this with my truck. That's how I got it home from where I bought it. It opens up and has, I think it's a double bed inside of there. And then it's got, what is that? Ice chest. It's got that. It's got light hookups. I got a spare tire inside. And yeah, I can pull it with my truck. So the plan is finish getting it cleaned up on the outside, get the inside dry. Well, that didn't turn out very clean. Have to redo that. Anyway, get the inside, get it opened up, aired out, blah, 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 and then hit the road. And when I get to, because what I do is I go straight down this road behind me here, and it hits Highway 99 between Chowchilla and Merced. And when I hit the Highway 99, then I'll decide if I'm going north or south, because I don't know. Oof. One time when I was cleaning the truck up real good, or trying to, I went into an auto parts store and asked them what the best thing is to clean the tires and wheels, because they were looking pretty gnarly. And I came across this stuff, and all you got to do is spray it on, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then rinse it off. No rubbing, no scrubbing, no wiping. That works for me. So here we go. Is it open? No, of course not. Take your breath away. Nasty. Yeah, when you put it on, make sure you're upwind from it, because it will take your breath away. So yeah, the guy said just put it on and then wait for a couple minutes and then rinse it off. So, got you good and dizzy yet? Guess it'd be better if you could see. Guess that's good. I know. Quit using so much product, Lori. It's not like I'm going to eat off of it. Where's that rat? No, I'm just going to do like the instructions say and just rinse it off. Not bad, couple of spots, but way better than it was.